guys, welcome back to the channel, and we're just going to get to it. So these all took me either just over 3 minutes or just under 3 minutes. The purpose of these sketches is to basically log my learning methods and learning feedback and how my skills are improving, and essentially how where to go about and how to correct the basically learning skills and also my drawing skills. So I create 3 sketches, all between 2.5 to 3.5. I am reducing the amount of time that I spend on them. Originally it was 4 minutes, now it's hovering around about the 3-minute mark per sketch, and then I have a couple of minutes to do a quick analysis and feedback. Doing this has allowed me to really quickly and effectively become more effective at sketching and create more proportioned or in proportion sketches, if that makes sense. So I'll just kind of go into the analysis. So number 1 was slightly too wide in the face, very slightly, and then knew how to hopefully kind of correct it in the second one. However, this one was I sketched this very quickly just to see if I could do it even quicker. So that was actually 2 minutes 45, 2 minutes 50 seconds, so that was even quicker, but I actually managed to get the face shape in proportion and the structure and layout of the features. The third one is just too angular at the cheekbones and just at the jaw what's that word, joint. So yeah, and it just juts out very slightly here. I think if it was like that on the right hand side, then it would have been fine, but it's not, so it makes it just look a little bit too angular, and also the neck makes that side as well look a wee bit more masculine, and she was quite a feminine lady. So yeah, I know where to go. I utilise observational methods as well, and the lines that I have are far more purposeful and less likely to go over and over and over and over, creating darker lines, which was an issue for myself in the past. So yeah, I'm getting there. Let me know what you think, and I shall see you next time, guys. Thanks, bye!